Hello students, let us see the registration for CodeVita TCS contest. Now before registering to the TCS CodeVita contest, you need to register for Campus Commune Next Step portal of an TCS. Now this is a mail I am showing you of a TCS which I have received. Now there are top 20 registration, that is top 20 names of an colleges who have a maximum registration names are given here, wherein our college name is not there. That means we can see here the last one is 294. That means our college registrations are less than that. In fact, it is 154 only. So we need to improve our registration, and here they have given the two links, registration link and a practice platform link. Now this is a Campus Commune wherein you can go in and register yourself for a contest of an CodeVita. Now registering here, it will take me to the CodeVita page wherein I need to do the registration. You see here, this is a 9th season and it has an multiple benefits for an CodeVita contest. If you win the contest, you are going to get a first prize as an $10,000 US. Apart from that, even if you go for a second round, the benefit that you are going to get is that directly you will be eligible for an interview. There will be no aptitude for you and there will be no academic criteria as well. So that's why it is very important for you to participate into this contest, wherein this contest is also an international level contest. I will go here and I will say register. The moment I say register, this tab is open wherein it says login. Now this login, if you have an credential, that is a DT number and password, which you will get by registering on an TCS web Next Step portal. Okay, if you don't have that, directly you can go here by registering your email ID. Now if I put my email ID here, I will go and I will say verify. It will ask me whether you want to proceed with the same. I will say OK, and then after what are the you need to read all those information. Now I have already registered with this email ID before, last year also, and what it is going to it is telling me is this: you need to, once you use the email ID, the same email ID has to be returned, and you need to remember the password also. Now it will take me to the Next Step portal to complete the formalities. Now here I need to select one of this category, either IT or BPS. Once you select this, you have to stick with this, or if you want to change this, you need to re-register with different email ID. You cannot use the same. I am clicking here for business process services, right? So it is saying that initially I had already registered with something else, so it is giving me all those information. Now what you have to do, you click here, it will take you to the next step. Fill in all the details, use the password information or the criteria what they have given to generate the password. In generation of a password, they are saying that you need to use a capital letter, small letters, and numeric as well as special characters. Using those, you need to fill in your personal profile, personal details, and say submit. It will take you to the final step wherein you need to again apply for an CodeVita. Once you apply for that, your registration will complete and you can do the practice test. So I hope you might have understood this, what I have explained you in a brief. I can't go further because my email ID has been used several times on this TCS Next Step portal. Okay, so you try with your fresh mail ID. If you have any difficulty, please feel free to contact me or your departmental faculty coordinator. We are going to help you. Tomorrow is the last date. Thank you.